guys, welcome back to my channel, Ticking Together. As always, the goal of this channel is to provide education about and to raise awareness as to what it's like living with Tourette Syndrome. So in today's video, it's not going to be super educational. I thought I would do more of an entertaining video for you guys today, or at least do something while explaining something educational for you guys. So a lot of you know that those baking with Tourette's videos or like those art challenges with Tourette's are pretty popular on YouTube, and I thought I would do a make clay with me with Tourette's video. So I've been making these little clay guys for the past like hour, and I thought it'd be kind of fun to film it and just talk to you guys and just have like a one-on-one chat while I make my little clay friends. It's really it's really random. I'll show you these little guys. They're like little blobs with eyes, and I kind of consider them to be my tics because they're all having frowns and they're all just random little things. So I'm making these clay things that are my tics, and well, they're not really my tics, but like they are the visual form. You can see I made a pink one too. I thought it would be fun to make clay figures with you guys with Tourette Syndrome and to show you guys the reality of living with it. So without further ado, let's get started. So literally all I'm going to be making are these little guys because they're fun and they're super easy to make. But I thought it would be cool to make them with you guys and show you that it can be kind of hard to make clay things with Tourette Syndrome. So I am going to make a red one. And when I pick it up, I have my wrist tick, so that's great. Let's just start and open the stupid thing. Okay, first I'm gonna get out the right amount. It's very stretchy. I don't think I got enough out there, but I'm gonna roll it into a ball. And it's way too small. That is too small. So we're gonna make it a little bit bigger. I got red clay all over my hand already, so this is gonna be a great adventure. So roll it out, and I'm squishing it. I squished my ball. Okay, try it. Squish. I squished it again, so roll it again. Do not squish it. Do not squish it. Do not squish it. Okay, this is the ball. Let's give it legs. I don't like the red. So I'm going to talk to you guys about premonitory urges with tics, because I feel like that'd be something that could educate you guys while we make clay together. So for those of you that don't know, people with Tourette Syndrome like me make involuntary movements and sounds known as tics, and these tics are not controllable most of the time. So they're really disruptive, they're really annoying, and I don't like them. I have to roll through my balls, and let's not squish them. I squished them. But tics are super disruptive, annoying. Like this stuff you're seeing me doing with my eyes right now, those are tics, and I can't really control them. But there is a feeling you get before you tic, and that is called a premonitory urge. And these urges are different kinds of feelings you get throughout your body before you do the tic. So some people describe it as like fire throughout their body. Some people describe it as like electricity, or as like a really annoying itch. It really varies from individual to individual, but it's basically just like when you have to tick. You get this feeling in your body that's like, I'm gonna have to tick. And so it depends on where you get it in your body, because say I have a neck tick, I'll get the urge in my neck. So it kind of feels like it's like tingly sensations in my neck until I do the tick and let it out. So that's interesting. It's very common with people with tics to have these premonitory urges. If you don't let out your tics, these urges are gonna become stronger, and it's probably gonna become painful for you. So I would recommend letting out your tics when you get these urges. For a neurotypical person, I would compare the feeling of an urge to like the feeling before a cough or the feeling before a sneeze or an itchy feeling. So for example, if you, please do not squish the guy. Don't squish it. Don't squish it. Okay, he's not squished. I'm gonna carefully show him to you. This is what we have so far. So we're going good. But yeah, it's like the feeling of a itch, a sneeze, or a cough, like that feeling before it. You get that like build up, and it's a really intense build up. And so, for example, if you're gonna cough and you have this build up in your throat, you are gonna let it out because it's annoying, it's uncomfortable, and it's painful sometimes to hold it in. So when people with tics get these premonitory urges, we will let out our tics, because if not, we're going to be in discomfort, in pain, and just not feeling good. So this is why people with Tourette Syndrome and tics should not suppress their tics. You should not suppress their tics. It's hard to hold in a cough, so it's equally, if not more, as hard to hold in a tic. And I just wanted to make that clear for you guys, because it's something that I think a lot of people don't realize. So this is the guy I'm currently making. Let's hope I don't squish him. I have to make little blue balls for him. Just to give him the spots. You can see the other guys all have spots. So these ones are okay because I can squish them on him. So hopefully he'll be cute. I really like making clay. Sometimes it does help my tics. Tonight it's not really doing it, but it's okay. I'm just making a clay with me video, because why not, right? You can see I'm having hand tics because, yeah, I don't even know why. Just because I'm getting that premonitory urge, as I mentioned. The feeling in my hand is that I have to tick, so I do it because if I'm gonna hold it in, I will be in discomfort, pain, and just not very happy. So I'm not suppressing today, and that is okay, because I'm trying to kind of embrace it a little bit more. I'm trying to embrace my tics and my Tourette syndrome, because I haven't for over 10 years. And I think it would be really awesome to just start embracing it and being like, you know what, this is a part of me. I gotta live authentically, and I just gotta embrace it, because if not, I'm literally ignoring a part of me. And while it's not necessarily the best part of me, it's a part of me nonetheless, and I would start to encourage myself to just embrace it, because if I don't, I'm not gonna have as good of a life, you know? Okay, so I made him, he's done. So I made my little guy. I didn't squish him. Oh, shoot. That was a tic, I dropped him. Oh Lord, don't drop him. Okay, let's do it this way. This is him. He's not my cutest one, but whatever. He has blue spots, yellow mouth. I'm gonna put him down before I squish him. He's bigger than all my other ones. But I just wanted to make this video for you guys to just see the reality of doing something that people do with Tourette's. I can still make clay. Sometimes I just squish them and have to start over, but I can still do it. people with Tourette syndrome can still do things. They just might have to modify it a little bit. So yeah, I hope talking about premonitory urges help you guys a little bit, because it's important to know about them. And I'm gonna make a further video on actually explaining them a little bit more in depth and planned out, but this was just kind of a chat with me video to tell you guys kind of a brief explanation as well as what it's like. So I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys for making clay with me. This was super fun. I'm gonna show you guys my little guys now. So these are them. I love them. So they're super cute. Took me a while to make them just because I do sometimes squish them, which is really frustrating, but what can you do? They're still really cute and they turned out okay. So if you want to stay tuned to videos that aren't normally like this one and are more educational and informative, or just life stories about my life living with Tourette syndrome for over 10 years, I would be so appreciative if you guys would subscribe to my channel, because the goal of this channel here is to break the stigma surrounding Tourette syndrome and to let you guys know the real and raw truth about it. So subscribe if you would like to. I would also like it if you would, oh my gosh, if you would give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below saying hi, telling me what you want to see in future videos, or letting me know if you like the little things I made, because they're so random but I think they're cute. And yeah, as always, we're learning together, we're laughing together, and we're ticking together. Have a great night.